Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andre. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Okay, make a wish. Hip hip! Hooray! Sorry. Make a wish, baby.
Then blow your candle. It's gonna be a good one.
Alright, you can blow candle now.
Alright.
Okay, make it closer.
Okay. Daming wish mo ah.
Wow. Love you, baby.
Love you.
We love you so much.
Kiss mama.
Kiss mama. Love you.
Alright, let's eat. Ito yung box na binigay. Made in the Philippines. For a moment tuloy, para tayo sa Pilipinas. Video mo. Teka, may nakita akong reptile. May nakita akong reptile mga chong. Tingnan natin. Nakita ko siya kanina pag ganun kami. Tapos buti walang sasakyan, free. Ang bagal niya, tumatawid ng kalsada. Buti na lang hindi ko nasagasaan. Blue tongue skink ata tawag dito eh. Yun. Blue tongue skink. Pero wala na siyang buntot. Sorry ito. Wait, tamintang mo. Yeah, come on. Alright. Oo nga, hindi nga tayo makakadaan dito kapag maulan. Last year tayo nag-book, di ba?
Oo.
Yeah, so buti na lang sa website nila, sinasabi nila doon kapag hindi maganda yung condition ng road. Kasi otherwise, pagka naka 2WD ka, hindi ka makakalabas dito.
You definitely get bugged.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, dahil birthday ni Balongski Doodle Boy,
Plus, here's a joke.
happy na birthday pa!
Here's a joke as well. What did the bug say to the other bug? Stop bugging me.
Hey, stop bugging me.
Happy
That's a good
birthday!
Thank you.
Love you, baby.
Love you.
Okay, finally we get sight of the river, which means we are near our campsite.
Ay, malapit na tayo. Ayun! Okay.
So how do we know na malapit na tayo sa campsite?
Ayun! Kasi may kubeta
Get
na.
a sight of the toilet.
Yan ang number 1. Yung ibang
Number one
campsite
requirement
pala.
natin sa pag-book ng campsite
Alright.
is it should be just a few meters away from the
Yung
toilet.
iba pala, walang toilet. Alright. Okay, ready for adventure?
No, no, are you coming in as well?
Only you.
No, you. Papa,
I will, of course.
can you come in here as well?
Of course.
Thanks.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna push us.
You know how to do it?
Oh! Kaya alam mo naman pala gawin eh.
Nagkayaking kasi ako 101 sa YouTube eh.
Okay, we need to keep up. We need to keep up with mama.
Do a race. It's barely moving the kayak. Yeah. Yeah. Is that where's point at Gura Gura? Papa, can you point at Gura Gura?
Is that the willow? Ay, hindi pa yan yung willow tree.
Hindi yan, dun.
Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my
Cool,
god!
right?
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's like in a movie. We're surrounded by demons. Demons. That face sucks.
Ano kaya ibon yan? Ito, alam mo, siguro nag-hunt sila ng insect balong. Oh. Ne,
How do you know?
ne. Look at that. Look at those birds. How cool is that, Andre? It's because it's your birthday.
Yeah, it's cool.
The birds are putting on a show because it's Andre's birthday.
Yeah.
Happy na birthday pa.
Sunset naman tayo niya.
Kaya nga.
Ganda nga kasi maliwanag pa eh. Pero yung kulay ng araw,
G47,
sunset na, alam mo
G47.
yun?
Oh.
All right.
Hello.
Okay. What? How was
Hi
your
everyone.
experience?
Awesome!
Happy birthday, Andre.
Okay, this is Nene Boy's first time to
Yeah,
go
first time to
by
kayak
herself.
solo.
Huh?
Achievement unlocked.
Yeah.
Level up, level up. Kailangan mag-level up, masyadong adventurous yung asawa ko. Tsaka yung anak ko. No choice si Mama Ann.
Kita ba yung sunset dyan?
Oh, yan. Wow. So, now we're watching the sunset. Ganda, di ba? So, si Audrey.
Parang masarap maligo, hindi naman ganun kalamig ang tubig yun.
Di ba? Oh, pwede siguro. Oo nga. Yeah, why not?
Hap mama ba lang? Oh, lakas na eh. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Alright. Okay, enjoy? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
That was
tell
the
it
best
to...
birthday ever.
Oh, exactly. Oh, birthday boy daw. Give him my hand.
Can you give me a hand, please? Can he?
Yeah. Mm.
Your thing is red. Her pants are like.
Yeah, oh, di ba? Alright. Alright.
Yay!
Good job. Good job. Happy birthday. Alright. Sabi na. Balik na kami sa campsite. At
Can I change my clothes?
magluluto pa si Nene Boy. Dinner time. Ito na, ang cook
Grabe,
natin.
ang ganda ng
Chine-check
view.
na ang
Grilled Greek.
grilled Greek lamb. Alright.
Si Mang Kepoings.
Alright.
Check upin ko lang yung lamb na.
Alright. Kasi yung birthday boy nag-aantay na dun sa aming
He's hungry.
munting bahay.
Gutom na yung boss namin eh.
Yeah.
Kailangan namin magtrabaho.
Trabaho.
Trabaho muna tayo. Okay. Favorite niya rin to eh.
Okay, so na-check namin yung weather ngayon. Sabi rin ni Mrs.
Very pleasant.
Very pleasant.
Grabe. Lord.
Yeah, kasi ang pinakamalamig tonight is 18 degrees.
16.
Oh, 16 ang pinakamalamig. So, compared sa mga nakaraan naming camping, which is umabot ng 6 degrees. So, ngayon medyo baliwala lang. Hindi na siguro namin kailangang mag-sleep. Sleeping bag para lang din
Sleeping bag pero hindi mo kailangan mag-puffer jacket.
Yeah, hindi mo kailangan mag-puffer jacket. Ano ba isasama mo dyan?
Smashed potato. Greek smashed potato.
Smashed?
Oo, smashed.
Hindi tayo magkakanin ngayon mga chong, narinig nyo ba? Oh my
Potato.
goodness.
Yeah.
Pagkatapos ng kayak kanina na grabe, nakakapagod. Hindi pala tayo, kung alam ko lang, sana nagbaon ako ng bigas. Well, hindi. Hindi ko na to kayo kasi pag ako nagbaon ng bigas, ibig sabihin ako rin na magluluto. Hindi natin trabaho yun eh. Yun na. Kumukulo-kulo pa. Alright. Okay, sige. Kahit wala tayong kanin ngayon mga chong, parang po pwede na din. Tabla na sa akin ng 2 patatas. Ilang patatas ang dala mo? 3 lang. Oh my goodness. Alright,
Cheers,
cheers
guys.
for the birthday boy.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Andre.
birthday.
Thank you.
Success na, success. Ano ba?
My neck.
Puro lang laro kasi ito eh. Ngayon ko lang uli kami naglalambingan chicken skin, no? Ngayon lang kami naglalambingan kasi puro sa computer nakaharap. Puro computer, puro kaibigan ng inaatupag. Nandito ka naman kay Papa. Birthday boy! Birthday boy. Kasi pag nag-teenager ka na, hindi ko na magagawa sa ito dahil ayaw mo na.
Stop. I can't.
Kahit ng baby pa to, gusto na ito kinikiliti eh.
Please.
10 years old na pero gusto pa rin
Stop.
Sige, step. Step na. Ito kay Papa. Success na, success.
Release.
Okay mga chong. Wala nang palit-palit ng damit to. Tulog na lang.
Kami nagpalit ng damit. Ikaw hindi.
Yeah, sila lang nagpalit, ako hindi. Hindi ka rin nagpalit ng damit eh.
Hindi pala.
Hindi rin nagpalit. Yung birthday boy, di rin nagpalit ng damit. Ay, si Nene Boy nga, nag-ano pa, hilamos pa. Can't see your face. Yun, si mga chong. Ito na. Tulog na tayo. Tulog na kami kasi
Tulog na kami.
bukas try ulit namin magkayak.
Kano actually?
Kano. Try namin magkano.
Kano nun, dito ba? Kano yan yun?
Oo.
Prepare to die. Prepare.
Walang masakit. Wala nga. Matulog na tayo.
Kaya
Ito,
bukas
gusto
sila
ito.
ng kayak. Kung nga rin sila ng kanina.
Ito, gusto. Walang sakit sa mata. Tinamaan yung mata ko. Sakit. Tinamaan yung mata ko. Kiss mo. Kiss. Isa pa. Hindi mo sakit. Yan. One more. On the lips. na si Nene Boy. Naunahan niya ako. Where are you, Nene Boy? Ayun. Nagdalamierda na. Alright mga chong, good morning. Sabi, laki na campsite namin. Para sa 3 tao. Susulat ka. Mag-iingat ka doon sa abroad.
Ano pala sa kabila?
Mag-iingat ka sa abroad.
Sulat ako. Babait kayo dyan ha.
Oo. Ayun, antay lang tayo rito muna habang nasa tubig si Nene Boy at si Balong ay natutulog. Antay lang tayo. Iraradyo na lang tayo ni Nene Boy kapag pabalik na siya. Kasi kailangan ko siya hilahin from the bank. Tsaka kailangan makabalik na rin siya dahil walang gagawa ng almusal namin. Ito na, may radyo na.
Pabalik na ako. Over.
Okay, sige. Pupunta na ako dyan. Over.
Ang galing na yung may isda dito.
Welcome back! Namiss ka namin!
Sarap na hinihil. Ang bindi mo kasama yung kano.
Huh? Wakey, wakey, wakey. How was your sleep?
That was probably the best camping I've ever had so far.
Wow! Walang kain na daw.
Okay.
Okay mga chong, time for breakfast. Mga iba naman, almusal naman tayo sa tabing ilog. Di na masama di ba?
Hindi talaga.
Ika nga na naboy kagabi, WFH, work from here. Hey, Balong, mamaya ka na maglaro, kain ka na muna. Hindi na, malamig na yan. Say good morning to mga chong.
Good morning, mga chong.
Alright, good morning mga chong. Almusal muna tayo. Morning Nene Boy.
Morning.
Alright, kanina pa tayo nag good morning pero ito yung official good morning kasi kagigising lang ni Balong si Doodle Boy. Alright, chibog muna, chibog.
Ganda nga po sunrise dun ka, no? Kasi
Okay, who will pollinate the flower?
Your destination is on the left.
Ano ba yan? Sarado ba, no? Pakakita sa loob.
hi guys! For our last stop for this trip, we are here at Overland Corner Hotel, which is under the conservation care of the National Trust of South Australia. So this hotel has been around since 1859, as what's stated here. So that means it's been around for more than 165 years old. Yeah, at least. So we're gonna have an early lunch here before we head home. obviously, it's called Overland Corner Hotel because the main entry to the hotel is at the corner. So this hotel actually served as a post office since the late 18th century until the early 19th century. So mga ano pa yun, panahon ni Lady Whistledown. Kasi sabi horse-drawn carriages pa yung nagdadala ng mails that time. So yeah, I guess ang fancy, diba? An outdoor sitting area. It's very beautiful. Ganda pa ng weather. Sarap tumambay.
Still can't find the answers, and I think I've had too much to drink.
Gusto ko sana bumili ng cleaver. Ang cool kasi. Kaya naman I-check the price. $275.